Hi there, everyone. So, this is my first video here on this channel, and I look forward to helping you learn many aspects of coding and technology. So, let's get started. Today, we will be looking at how to set up a new Next.js project. So, firstly, you must have Node installed on your system. If you don't have that already, you can head over to your browser and search for Node. The first site that you see is the official website, so you can head over there. And then above, you can look for download, and then you can go ahead and download the respective package for your operating system. Once installed, you can check if Node is correctly installed by giving the command node-v, and it will show you the version of Node that you installed. Similarly, you can type npm, the Node package manager, and a -v to check the version of npm installed. By the way, npm comes installed by default with Node, so you don't have to worry about it separately. Now, the next step is to create a new Next application folder. So for that, you can go to the terminal and type in npx create next app and add @lattice, which basically says to install the latest stable version of Next and the name of the folder. For this project, I will go ahead and name this Next.js Learning and hit enter. It will then start to ask you certain questions. If you want to have TypeScript, ESLint, and Tailwind to figured, all that stuff. There's also this Next App Router, which basically considers routes inside the app directory that we will see in a while. Also, there's a thing regarding whether you want to install Turbo, that Next preferred bundler to use instead of Webpack, which we can go ahead and say yes. Turbo is considered the future of Next.js applications. It is a lot faster and smoother compared to Webpack. But if you want to have Webpack, you can select No, which will set Webpack as the default bundler. So for now, we have configured everything. You can go ahead and choose what all things you require. Finally, once done, you can go to the newly created Next.js folder by doing cd next-js-learning and open it in whatever IDE you use. I personally prefer VS Code. If you want a separate video for installing VS Code and configuring that, please go ahead and mention that in the comments. We'll surely like to do that if it helps. Now, to run the local deployment server, you can go to the terminal and type npm run dev and hit enter. This will start the local server at localhost 3000, which you can open in your browser, and ta-da! Your Next.js application is up and running in your browser. Okay, so now you can go ahead to the app folder and see a page.tsx file. This is the main file which we are currently seeing in our browser. I would want to modify this. So I will just clear everything and return a simple div saying, "Hello, this is the welcome page." Once you do that and save, you can check your application and it will render the same message. Now, we will next see how to perform routing in Next.js. Till then, take care and have a nice day. Bye-bye.